Are you tired of dry, weak hair that's refusing to grow? Watch closely. Today, I am showing you a powerful DIY hair mask made from flaxseed, banana, chia, honey, infusing oil, plus my essential oils. This mask strengthens from the root, stopping breaking, promoting thicker, and leaving your hair unbelievable soft. So please stay tuned and we start the thing together. First, I pour my chia and my flaxseed into my blender. So the next thing that I'm going to add is my banana. Okay, guys, you have to stay tuned and watch to the end, okay, because I am making a super nourishing hair mask that deep hydrating, strengthening, and boosting hair growth naturally. This recipe is rich in protein, antioxidant, vitamins, and natural oils that your hair will really love it. So now I put all my ingredients into my blender. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it. Okay, why I'm blending it, this thing, after blending it, it is not going to end there because you have to strain it before this thing starts to, before you can add your other oils or essential oil before you apply. So please stay tuned and watch to the end. So while I'm blending, let's see flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which is improving elasticity to your hair, adding slippery and curly defense. It's also reducing hair breaking. While banana also is high in protein. Okay, it's also moisturizing dry hair, softening hair, strengthening your strands. So it's very good. So guys, I'm taking this amount because I'm going to use that one for hair face mask. So if you want to check and see how I make the face mask, please check it in Princess Hair Care. Our second channel, the name is Princess Hair Care. That place all our face mask treatments. That is where the place I'm putting the videos. Okay, so you can watch this video, the face mask video, in that channel, Princess Hair Care channel. Okay, so chia also is contain antioxidants. Okay, it's also stimulating hair growing, reducing shedding, and also is very amazing, adding more slippery and shining and soft to your hair while using it. Okay guys, after straining it, the next ingredient, the first ingredient I'm adding into my mask is honey. I added 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey, I can tell you that maybe is optional. If you have, add. If you don't have, you can skip that part. Okay, no problem. So now the second ingredient I'm adding is my infusion oil. This infusion oil also, so my people, the infusion oil also is boosting herbs, okay, for strong follicles and improving hair thicker and shining. So after that also, you know, honey, when I say I added honey, honey also is adding moisture to the hair, adding more shining, and your hair is going to be very soft and easy to manage your hair. So now I'm adding my essential oil, lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is also adding elasticity to your scalp and boosting blood circulation. Okay, it's very good also while you are using it. So after the lavender essential oil, my next ingredient is black castor oil. Black castor oil is also promoting regrowth and thickening your edges, also making your hair very strong. If you want thicker hair, strong hair, flat hair, please try to be adding castor oil into your routine. So the next, I added vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also is repairing damaging strands and protecting edges breaking, your edges breaking in your hair also. Not only the edges, if you have damaging hair also is protecting, repairing it. Like when something you have something and it has spoiled, you know, you are looking for someone to repair that thing for you. So that is what vitamin E is doing. Vitamin E is repairing hair, damaging hair. If you have damaging hair, if you don't have damaging hair, it will protect your hair from damaging. Okay, that is why, you know, we love to add vitamin E oil into our routine. Okay, so now I added my cold press oil, avocado cold press oil. It's also packed with vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. It's also deep penetrating into the skin and your hair. Okay, it's also improving elasticity to your hair. Now you can see how shining it is. So when I put it in my hair, this is the way that I'm going to get the benefit. Guys, if you want to check the channel to see how things is going, please, you can check Princess Hair Care. You will see my product, the product that I'm using, how this thing is working, because I'm not showing my hair. Maybe some people, they want to see whether the hair is how it is, but you can see my daughter hair and you know what we are doing is working perfect for me and my daughter. Thank you very much for watching. How to use it, apply it and sit at least 1 hour and go and bath. This one is going to be my face mask, so that video is going to Princess Hair Care channel, so you can come over there and watch this video. Bye bye.